Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Andini Sabila. I want to show you how to make onion ring. Let's get started. So, the ingredients we need to make onion ring are eggs. Just take the egg white and the one onion and flour, and the last one is oil. So, because the ingredients are all complete, let's start cooking now. So first, break the egg and place it in the bowl. Just take the egg white. Then, place the flour in the bowl as needed. And cut onion like this. Like this, like a donut. If it's all prepared, dip the cut onion into the egg white and then put it in the flour. That was prepared early and evenly distributed. Like this. Ooh. Repeat until all the pieces of onion are covered with flour. After that, heat the oil in the pan. And let's start cooking now. This is it. Onion ring is finished. Yay! It's so nice. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe our YouTube channel. See you later. Bye. If you like, please comment. What, Pari? What? You malu?
Is Andini guys.
Berbahaya itu. Udah, ayo.